This is the grand strategy of Satan in today's modern world, to make man believe that he does not exist. Maoti ay. Medyo sensitive ni siya na topic para sa kuha tungod kay I will share about evil, about the devil. So I will base all my sharing and reflections gikan ani nga book ni Father Jose Francisco Siquia, revised edition of Exorcism book. So ingon dere in page 18. In 1972, Pope Paul VI asked, "What are the greatest needs of our church today?" Unsa man ang dako nga gikinahanglan sa atong simbahan karon? Ansya nga, "Do not think that our answer is simplistic or superstitious and unreal. One of the greatest needs today is the defense from that evil we call devil." So, ang pagdepensa sa daotang elemento. Even si Pope John Paul II ingon siya, "The battle against the devil, which is the principal task of Saint Michael the Archangel, is still being fought today because the devil is still alive and active in our world." Kung makita ni mo ang society karon, grabe kay ang kahilayan, grabe ang war. I think of the war in Ukraine and Russia before, and then now we have the US and Israel versus Iran. Grabe ang pag-antos sa mga ordinary people in that country. And even Filipinos are also affected of that. Nag-rise up ang atong mga resources like ang gasoline, grabe na kay kamahal, ang mga palaliton, ang rice, nisaka din siya ba? Because ang sinugdanan ani, ang evil man yun. Diba? Ang evil man yun ang sinugdanan ani. Ngayon siya diri nga, the sad thing right now is that many in the Catholic Church either deny the existence of evil or tend to see him as one that cannot interact in major way in man's day-to-day life. Nag-interact di ay ang demonyo sa ato ang kinabuhi. Mo ni siya nga, magpasagad na lang tagdasay. Natawa ang mga leaders sa atong palibot, sa atong country. Si President Donald Trump sa USA, nag-decide din siya ba? Decide siya ba? War. Kabalo man gyud nga, wala jay mo daog anang war. Wala jay mo daog ana walay tinuod nga ni daog anang war. Kay kung ingon magod tag gera, both country nga ni pahigayon anang gera, all of them are losers. Walay mo daog ana. Tungod kay ang magsuffer ang mga tawo man gihapon, diba? So mao to siya. This is the grand strategy of Satan in today's modern world, to make man believe that he does not exist. Maoti ay. Make man believe that he does not exist. Para, of course, para dili ta maka-defense. For us Christians, dili ta maka-defense sa atong kaugalingon diha sa pag-atake niya. Ang tao lagi ni, basta magpalayo lagi ta sa Ginoo. Mao ni ang mahitabo sa atong kinabuhi, sa atong palibot, di ba? Basta magpalayo ta sa Ginoo. Nigon dere si Saint Pope John Paul II. The presence of the devil in the world becomes all the more acute. Nilala ba? All the more acute when man and society depart from God. Mulala yun ang presensya, mulala yun ang pagtempt sa evil sa tua, tungod kay we depart from God. So we as Christians, we must always be prepared to enter into the midst of this battle. Kinahanglan prepare ta. There is no room for compromise, no basis for peaceful coexistence. There can be struggle and opposition, of course. Kay naaman ta sa war against this spiritual realm. God calls His people to attack the kingdom of darkness and to further the kingdom of light. Man, ingon pa diri, man is born into the midst of this struggle by its very nature. So, he must fight in it. No one can escape from it. Apil ta ni ini. Every man and woman must choose whom they will serve. Tungod kay mga tao man ta sa kahayag, we must choose the light from darkness. So I hope you learned something about my sharing today, na we must always be prepared to enter into the midst of this battle. Okay? So that's how. Thank you for listening and God bless. See you next time.